Want to build a car rental website? Let's do it in under a minute. From your WordPress, add the Tourfic plugin. Now go to Tourfic settings and configure your booking system. Add your fleet, photos, features, car informations, driver information. Include, exclude, and rental rules. Set flexible pricing by day or hour, date or at package, rental extras and protection plans. Define pickup or drop-off locations, cancellation, and rental policies. With the search and filter form, your customers can find the right car fast. Integrate with WooCommerce for payments, tax, and discount support. Let users make bookings, pay a deposit, view booking history. Now, check your site on any device. Fully responsive and smooth. You are ready to rent cars online. Start today with Tourfic.